Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between NinjaTrader or Sierra Chart. And I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which application is better than the other because both are great. But they have some differences, and I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which one will fit you the best. So I needed to say that because both are great. And I want to tell you too that I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, settings, setups, whatever. And I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on NinjaTrader. And NinjaTrader is on the left, Sierra Chart on the right. And the main focus on the left on NinjaTrader is to do on futures trading. It's a platform to do on futures trading. Then on the right, Sierra Chart has the main focus to do on advanced charting and future trading too. Then if we look right here to the best four, NinjaTrader is the best for active future traders and Sierra Chart is the best for professional traders and chart analysts. Then if you go to trading tools, NinjaTrader has advanced charting, order flow and execution tools, and Sierra Chart has highly customizable charts, a depth of the market, the DOM, and order flow analysis. If you look to the interface on NinjaTrader, the interface on NinjaTrader is clean and it's a modular workstation, and Sierra Chart has a powerful but less intuitive and more technical. So that's the most differences between those two. If you look to the fees and trading costs, NinjaTrader depends on the license and the broker setup, and Sierra Chart has a lower monthly platform costs. Then if you ask me which one do I need to use, I can recommend you to use NinjaTrader if you want to do on futures trading, order flow, scalping or active executions. And I recommend you to use Sierra Chart for advanced charting, deep market analysis and a professional futures trading. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly which one you need to pick right now. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.